Hi everyone, in today's tutorial I want to show you how to create a pivot chart by count of values in Excel. This method will guide you to create a pivot chart based on the occurrences of values in Excel. Select the source data, click the Insert tab. In the Charts group, click the Pivot Chart drop-down list and select Pivot Chart. In the opening Create Pivot Chart dialog box, please check the existing worksheet option. Select the first cell of the destination range. Press the Enter button. Click the OK button. Go to the Pivot Chart field span and drag the stationery to the Axis section and Values section. If the type of calculation of the value field the stationery is not count, please click Stationery in the Values section. Select Value Field Settings. Next, in the Value Field Setting dialog box, click to highlight Count in the Summarize Value Field By section and click the OK button. Now you will see the pivot chart is created based on the occurrences of the stationaries. Thanks for watching and please subscribe for more videos.